on, my people, it's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to my channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man, we're keeping it cool and casual today. I got this Benz AMG G-Wagon. I'm gonna give it a deep cleaning and coat it. If you don't know guys, foam time is the best time. Let's get it. We're letting the ride soak in this soap solution here. It's a little bit stronger soap solution. That's to ensure we strip off any waxes or sealants that might be on the paint already. The client said he had it waxed a while back, so we want to make sure that wax is off. So we're going to make it soak, rinse off, and then proceed with the contact wash. Get it. Yeah, my people, time to move forward and do the contact wash. We're going to do it section by section because of the, the size of the vehicle. The sun is coming out. I just don't want to be rushing, guys, so we're going to do it section by section. Fresh separate mitt for the lower panels. As I mentioned guys, this is a 2024, it's a new ride. I don't even think it has 3,000 miles on it yet, so paint is really nice. So we're just going to give it a thorough contact wash. We're going to proceed and do a decontamination and then a light clay bar. And then we're going to assess if we need to polish or not. I highly doubt it though. Paint looks fabulous. Inside the garage, here are some lights. We're going to put it on the lights and check it out. But for right now, let's just wrap up with the contact wash. Clean Car Chris, say that. Mad. Yes, my people, while I'm there working in the back finishing up that contact wash, I want to big up all my subscribers. If you don't know, you're showing the boys some love. Really appreciate that. But moving forward, we're going to go ahead, do some iron decon. That Gyeon iron remover. Let's go. Iron removal time, guys. Let's spray the panels. Let's look out for that purple reaction and see what we're working with. Let's go. Yeah, people, let's let that dwell for a bit, see if we see any purple reaction. See a little bit. I don't expect it to be too much. Like I said, this car is brand new and it's garage kept, so we're just testing it out. Let's see if there's any purple reaction up here on the bonnet. None. A good sign, just very slight. Alright, people, I'm happy to see that this paint is looking in great condition. The iron remover showed no evidence of any iron particles in the paint, as there was pretty much no purple reaction. So we rinsed off the iron remover. The paint feels very smooth. I'm just going to go over it with a light clay towel. You know, just to make sure I fulfill my due diligence, you could say. But it feels smooth, so let me just go over it really quick with a light clay towel. Let's do it. A little rough, but not too much. I can already feel like the towel is taking off the contaminants pretty quickly. Couple passes with it and I feel the paint smoothing out, so I think it's a good thing we're doing this. I do feel the panels slightly rough in certain areas, but by all means it's definitely not highly contaminated. Yes, my people, you don't know, so we're making progress, you know. So finished cleaning the vehicle. Couple panels were kind of rough. Obviously the lower panels and stuff, and the bonnet was a little rough. But you don't know, paint is looking great. However, I like to foam up one last time just to make sure all that clay lube, all that iron removal chemical, anything that's on the paint will just be washed off one last time. All right, so let's go. Detailers out there, let me know if you think I'm being a little bit anal doing this step. I know I could have probably just went ahead and just rinsed the vehicle or just dried it and move forward, but my last step of this process, I just like to foam it up one last time. Like I said, just to ensure that there's no clay lube, no iron remover, nothing on the paint. So let me know in the comments. my people, we've backed the AMG G-Wagon into the garage. It's nice and cool in here. Thank goodness we get a break from the heat outside. We don't know. The vehicle is almost fully prepped to install the coating. One more step to go. We're gonna do the IPA wipe down. Let's do it. So the customer appreciation here, man. Client just brought me a nice cup of espresso. Nice shot. This looks more than a shot, but yeah, man, after I drink this, it'll definitely give me the energy to get this ceramic coating installed in no time. Man. The panels are now prepped, squeaky clean, ready for the ceramic coating install. As you may notice, I didn't have to polish the vehicle. After careful consideration and discussion with my client, we decided it's not really necessary to polish the vehicle, right guys? It's a brand new vehicle. It's been garage kept since he's had it. It has barely 3,000 miles on it, and after careful inspection, after the iron decon, which showed no iron particles as you saw earlier, and after cleaning, and looking at the vehicle under the lights, doing lights inspections and stuff, paint is in excellent shape. So we're gonna go ahead and install the coating. Let's do it. Alright guys, we're going to start with the roof. We're going to do it in sections. As you can see, it's a pretty big roof. So I'm not going to box out the area here. I'm going to be coating. Alright guys, you have your designated leveling towel, and once you level the coating, you want to go ahead and use another plush, high quality towel and kind of just go over the area again, just to make sure you're not leaving back any of that coating residue, so we can avoid those high spots. Alright, just like so. So like I said, we're just taking it easy, step by section by section, step by step. I like to do like, maybe like shoulder width. Just kind of like my shoulder width perimeter or whatever. Just take your time, especially when you're installing coatings, guys, because you don't want to leave back any high spots whatsoever. people, you don't know that this ceramic coating is wrapping up. G-Wagon is looking awesome. Check it out, guys. I think it's looking mint right now. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. I hope you're going to like the video, and of course, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. You don't know, guys, it's your boy Clean Car Chris coming at you again. Every Wednesday, we got some hot content for you. Keep it locked every time. Bless.